Hello and welcome back. In my hand, I have the most expensive and the coolest latte art milk jug I ever get hands on. I'm gonna shout out to Jibbi Little to sending me this to review. Did I say review? No, I mean, thing is I don't know nothing about latte art. But I saw this on YouTube channel, God, last year. I thought, you know what? I have to contact Jibbi Little too. Hopefully they're gonna send me something. So anyway, thank you for sending me this. So let's take a look. So check this out. This is really impressive. Beautiful casing. So it's called Warrior X-Man. Okay, so this is similar size as the Barista Express. This Barista Express milk jug, same size. And according to Jibbi Little, so this is really good for beginners like me. So, I mean, really beautiful packaging. Wow, it's really cool. Yep, that's the exact same size as the Barista Express. This beautiful color there. Okay, let me show you the Barista Express. So this is a Barista Express. It's about the same size. And then, but if you look at it closely on spout, so this is a lot elongated, this is a lot longer, and this is really short. So this one gives you a lot more control over than this one. So let's make some coffee this morning, and then let's find out if this milk jug makes me better latte artist. I think it's kind of like funny, but I don't think it's the equipment, it's the person behind it. But let's find out. Since this morning I'm making the latte art theme, so I'm gonna be using my fellow latte. It's called Monty Latte Art cups. Okay, so this is made for the latte art. So let's use that. I'm gonna heat up the cup first. So I'm shooting for 34 grams. So I'm going to start steam some milk. I think I'm going to use the oat milk today. So lately, whenever I'm doing my latte art, I like to just transfer to other milk jug. So in this case, transfer to Jibbi. Sims works better, I think. Okay, so I'm using the Oatly milk this morning. I'm trying to cut down on my dairy consumption, so milk seems good. It's not the whole milk, but okay. So let's do some latte art. You know what, as you can see, this is pretty sad looking latte art there. So it's not the equipment, okay? It's definitely is the operator. And but it seems a lot easier to control the the flow because they're very pointy. But you know what? I wonder if I use the, let's see, the whole milk. I wonder we're gonna get a better result out of it. But anyway, it looks okay. And again, I'm gonna shout out to Jibbi Little for sending me this. So this is not cheap, okay? So this is it's called Warrior X-Man, and this is about $130, the 130 US dollars. But I mean, if you are really into latte art, this is really the coolest. It's a cool factor. It's gonna make you better latte artist? No. But you know what? It's nice to just play with. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of live demos, and it's really fun. See you guys next time.